Oh, guys, what we were talking about in the last video was the second part of that particular video. Oh, today I told you that I came to this daily parallel and we are still stuck here. Okay, so just look at it. We had a high over here. I'm just editing this for a second. We had a high over here. This high was taken. Structure shift upside down. You have a short time low here. You have a low, lower low, higher, high. Okay. So this candle sweep the sell side here. Structure shift to the upside. That's a good sign, okay, which is inside the fair value gap. The target that I will be looking for is this highest high after 7 o'clock, okay. Uh, yeah, say this is the highest high after 7 o'clock, okay. Right. So I'm just bringing that back, okay. So now we'll go to 1 minute charts. There is a 50 minutes parallel gap of somewhere around here, okay. You don't have to mind that. And you to have a good look at this particular fair value gap and this one. This fair value gap plus VIB, okay. So just look at it, you can see. This was the sell side taken. Order block, went above the order block. And retest twice, then went above again, okay. And this particular fair value gap was really respected here that none of the candle was able to cross above the midpoint of this one. This was a strong resistance up here. Okay, when this fair value gap got inverse, or we can say the resistance broke, the next time you need to check for some reaction. Okay, first time after it went above it, it may come a inverse fair value gap. Okay, and the next time when it comes here, tap was one time, twice it respected this inverse fair value gap and start to move up. Okay, so at least on the second time you need to make an entry, but unfortunate I didn't make an entry on this candle because I was slow in that C trader. I was only kind of what do you say, beginner in the C trade. Okay, so I ended here on this candle. Actually, you need to make this as your stop loss, okay? But I made this as my stop loss because you see this small fair value gap up here. There is a chance that it might come all the way to there, okay? That's the reason. Or else you could have placed your stop loss. I will place my stop loss here. Making my target this high, okay? Unfortunately, if you see, it came till here. That is, I will say how many pips it needs to go, okay? Let's say that 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, right? Exactly 1 bit, exactly 1 bit for 10 points you can experience that could have triggered my example. Just leave it. First and trace from here, that is 5. Now if you look at the 5 minute chart, you had this 5 minute fair value gap open. I'm not expecting the market to come all the way up here to take the liquidity or fill this gap. I was just considering only this was the recent one. Okay. You just look at the 1 minute. And the one I told you about this one, right? This is the one that I want you to focus on. You just look at the time it respected this one twice. When it comes up here, there is a pullback to this 5 minute fair value gap. Again, this 5 minute was respecting. You see, even none of the 1 minute candle were able to close below the 5 minute gap, right? So it's showing a bullishness from there. I think. So what I was looking at, like a pyramid entry. Again, I think I entered from somewhere around here. I think somewhere around here, making this as my stop loss. Then same target. Okay, so if I take something from here, that is from this. I don't remember where. I think from here. I think Spare Valley or something like that. I entered. Stop loss here. Yeah, almost 2 hours. From here, I will could have get 3 hours. Here, you could have get 2 hours. Okay, now we will go to the what you say in depth. Okay, just zooming in for a second, so you can clearly see. So again, you can consider this as an order block. These two candles as an order block. Down close candles as an order block. Okay. After coming to this, well, we got a structure shift to the upside. Then filling these gaps again. And if you just look at this 1 minute barrier gap, it has been respected multiple times, right? First came, got a small pullback, went to this like bearish CP, PC. Again went lower. Again went to the same barrier gap. Next time, it took out the short time top and created a structure shift to the upside. Then this becomes an order block, right? So you can also enter either from the like look of the order block or from the candle of the order block, making stop loss just below the midpoint of it. Okay, target could be the same again. So I just want you to have a look at this particular fair value gap and this particular order block. Okay, so if you just look closely, I have what to say, marked the Fibonacci on this particular candles board. You can see the levels here 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75. Okay. Look how beautifully these candles respected this audio survey. Even none of them was able to cross below the 50% level of the what to say overclock. Still, it was a good dog. So if you are going to take an entry from here, your actual entry should be like your actual target should be around this high. Okay, if you just take an entry from here, making stop close below the 50% level of the overclock candle week. Targeting for this week high is 5. So that's it. If you just look at this, what do you say? If you just want to consider the week calls, it hasn't went below the 50 percentage level of this week, okay, of this order book. I am particularly taking this body because body tells a story mixed to the damage, right? Look how beautifully the 0.25 percentage level was respected for this particular order block to make the price go higher above this high. That was really, really good trade. This was perfect among the this one from here or here. This was the perfect one, okay, from this order block. Making stops below here, targeting this side, not the 7 o'clock side. And next time I'll give you a tip. You'll see. Even not even the bodies were also not taken, right? Yeah, yes. Sometimes it really feels bad, guys. And I just also want you to have a look at this particular order box. After created a structure shift to the downside, okay, so after it created till here, it came back all the way up here again to this order box area, coming to fill this particular gap. You can take an order from here or from this gap, making your stops there, targeting for this down here. That is, let's say, you're gonna enter from this order block code here, right? In this one, you can make your stops just above this candle. You can target for this level. So that not any of these downside rates are not ideal because it doesn't look out any of the major buy side or sell side. Sorry, buy side. Actually, on that day, this particular trade was the best to keep in mind, okay, or the best to, in my opinion. So this particular fair value gap that is this one, FEG plus BIP. This one respected throughout this journey, right? So you can see it respecting all the twice here. You can see it respecting here all these weeks, all this noises here. Here, that is fine. So I think that's all for the video, guys. Today morning. I don't know. I will take an account. It's been almost 2 years. I have been working very, very hard to make it. Till today, I can't even pass one account. I'm really, really sad, guys. I don't know what should I do or something. It really, really hurts. Okay. Sometimes I feel like to quit it, but if I quit now, that's not an option. Okay. Okay, I think thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, guys. See you in the next video.